Now we already discussed about the loudness and intensity. So here I am going to tell you why the loudness is termed as a subjective nature and the intensity is termed as a objective nature. So we know that which is depend on the intensity, that is the energy conveyed by the sound wave near the eardrum of the listener, that is intensity which conveyed in the form of energy in our eardrums. And the second is loudness is also depend on the sensitivity of the ears of the listener. It may vary, the sensitivity of ears is different for a different people, or we can say as we grow the sensitivity become decreases to our listening. So it is considered that the faint sound, that is minimum sound what can be, which can be listened through our ear, we can say here it is considered faint sound as a 0 dB, that means 0 decibel, or we can also refer as this 0 dB as a pin drop silence. Pin drop silence, you may heard many times our teacher, the teacher said just keep a pin drop silence. That means when the pin will fall down, you will just listen the sound of only pin, then nothing else. So the faint sound, the minimum sound can be considered as 0 dB, and the intensity of that 0 dB is considered as, you should to know, 0 dB the intensity is considered as 10 ki power minus 12 watt per meter square. That is, we can say minimum intensity of sound. This is considered as minimum intensity sound, and that is 0 dB. And for, if we say about the whispering, when we talking someone in a very little bit sound, or we can say very just a talk with friends, whispering, we will say that is 30 dB. It is supposed the 30 dB sound, till the 30 dB sound, the sound is considered whispering sound. Conversation when we talk, that is a 50 dB, and the noise which above than 120 dB is considered as noise. And jet plane, the jet which is taking I think 140 dB or more than 140 dB, that is noise creating. So here I am saying it is not necessary ki 30 dB, 50, whispering is 30 dB, conversation 50 dB. It may be different. This decibel, this variation can be varies as the people. That means someone may whispering as a 30 dB. It is depend on the our whispering. हम कैसे whisper कर रहे हैं किसी चीज़ को. तो हम बहुत तेज whispering करते हैं, हाय कर loudly whispering करते हो, तो it may varies. 30 dB just taking, but it may be different. This value can be varies फ्रॉम पर लिसनर. जैसे जैसे लिसनर अलग होगा, हो सकता है उसकी विस्परिंग या कन्वर्सेशन और नॉइज़ 120 dB. जैसे अगर आप कोई सॉन्ग्स प्ले करते हो तो वो आपके लिए क्या है, आप उसको प्लीजेंट महसूस करते हो, दैट इज़ अ वेरी लेस साउंड, स्मॉल साउंड. बट समवन एल्स या किसी और के लिए, जो आपके मदर फादर जो भी हैं वो सुन रहे हैं, वो उनके लिए वो नॉइस हो जाएगा. सो दिस the loudness is varies for different people. So we can say loudness is not a, is a subjective, is not a objective. It is a loudness is maybe vary for a different people, different listener. So loudness is a subjective property. It can't be measurable for a particular subjective property. It can be varied, but intensity is fixed. It is a measurable quantity. Loudness does not a measurable quantity. Intensity is a measurable quantity which can be measurable quantity. That means we know that the amount of energy which is passes, amount of energy which by in the sound waves, whatever the amount of energy passes through the one, if we take a area is 1 meter square and in a time is 1 second, then the intensity, that is energy per unit area per unit time, is termed as intensity. So here the intensity can be measurable because it is fixed for everyone. It will be the same. If I am saying ki that is a 20 watt per meter square, that means for everyone 20 watt per meter square will be the same. And it can be in a loudness, we have to change in the decibel. So here 0 dB is termed as a, we can say that is 10 ki power minus 12 watt per meter square. That is minimum sound that can be occurred. And if we talk about the what is 1 dB, 1 dB is the change of 26% of this intensity. 26, if we increase the sound 26% of intensity increases, intensity increases, then the change of loudness is termed as 1 dB. If I am saying that is 2 dB, 2 dB means 26 का 2 times कर दीजिए, that means 52 I think will come. 52% of the intensity, that is 10 की पावर -12 वाट पर मीटर स्क्वायर का अगर हम 52% निकाल के ऐड कर दें, then the quantity is termed as 2 dB. So hence we can say कि loudness is the subjective property of the sound and intensity is the measurable, that is objective nature of the sound, objective nature.